guys? It's me, Ricky Ricardo, and welcome back to my vlog. So guys, today it's a very special edition of our vlog because we are here now in the very famous Boracay Island. So guys, right now, as you can see, there's a very few tourists due to the ongoing pandemic. It's very rare to witness this kind of peaceful environment because during this time of the year, it's very busy here in Boracay. Because every summer there's a lot of tourists going here, but because of what's going on to the world right now, it's currently locked down here in Boracay. It's like I'm the only person who can swim, or it's like I own this island. The feeling of very few tourists is, you know, relaxing. It's very peaceful.
Yes, oo. Yes, oo. Nasa 4,000 lang siya. Pero 4,000 lang siya. Yes, oo.
So guys, join me in this virtual, and as I walk you through to the island of Boracay, where there are only very few tourists. It's like Ricky Ricardo owns this beautiful beach. So let's go. So guys, as you can see in the background, most of the stores or restaurants are currently closed. It's very unfortunate that a lot of people lose their job or their businesses here in this island. But hopefully, after this pandemic, they'll be able to recover. We found a couple tourists here wandering in Boracay, so let's go ahead and interview them. Hello.
Hi.
Good
afternoon.
What's your name?
I'm Anne.
And Johnny. Anne and Johnny. Oh, that's a very what do you call that? Compatible name. So, guys, are you enjoying your stay in Boracay?
Yes, especially him because he likes.
Beautiful when it's like nobody
Yes,
here.
he likes it
Oh,
like
it's like
quiet.
Amazing.
He
like
likes
me.
more quiet place, less people. So he really
okay.
enjoys it. As long as he enjoys it,
Are you
I'm
guys
happy with it.
Are you guys not worried to get stuck here over the lockdown?
It's okay. No problem. We can swim out of it.
Oh, nice.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, I hope that you enjoy your stay
Thank you very much.
and always careful, protect yourself. You know, there's a lot of things going on
We can interview the
this
military
world.
by then.
Yeah, and I can see that you're very protected. Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Enjoy,
you.
guys. Thank
Stay
you. Thank
safe.
you. Bye. So guys, you can see some of the businesses or most of the businesses here currently closed. And I hope that once everything in this world goes back to normal, they'll be able to recover.
Wait
And
mo
also, I need to recover my breath as well.
naman.
Alright, so I found a local resident here, and let's try to interview her. Hi, what's your name?
Joanna.
Joanna. Yeah, yes. Thank you very much for letting us, interview you. So, I just want to know, how is it going? Everything here in Boracay during this pandemic?
Do you have to answer your English or Tagalog?
You can answer whatever you want.
At the moment, it's really quiet. As you can see, not really a lot of tourists are coming in here. Although we're still open for the tourists, especially the locals coming from Western Visayas, but not really a lot of them are coming in. So as you can see, it's very quiet and peaceful. But for us as a local, ito yung pinaka-favorite part namin when it's like not a lot of tourists. Why? Kasi we have the whole beach for ourselves to enjoy.
That's good to hear. It's still positive in your.
Yeah, but of
perception.
course, with the business side, it's not very good.
I'm sorry to hear that, but how are you coping right now? So I know that there's a lot of people having hard time during this time of pandemic, but personally, how are you coping?
Having a great time,
Great time.
enjoying the beach to ourselves, but no, financially, it's a bit difficult for us as a local, especially for the people that lost their job. But some of them are still okay. But for me personally, I'm just loving it. I'm loving where I live and just embracing the moment of quietness of Boracay.
Well, at least it's good to hear that not all people are having hard time, but there's still. But of course, there's still a lot of people. But by the way, why are you alone here? Are you with someone or?
I'm with you.
Okay, so guys.
Cut!
Okay, what?
I'm with him.
Yeah, she's actually my sister. And she lives here. Arma, no guys, seriously. She's a resident here. She lives here with her family. Now look guys, we're not actually following Johnny and Ann. It's just coincidence that we're going the same way. So we are now going back to the main road, and because it's almost 12 p.m, the lockdown will begin shortly, so we need to get back to our accommodation. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have questions, just write it down in the comment and how did we get here, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye guys. So as you can see, I'm with Johnny and Ann. Well, no, it's very coincident that we ride the same e-trike going back.
Actually, I meant to
To the yeah. I don't know, but I feel comfortable already. This is the first time we've met her and we
Became
with them. And we became friends so close right away.
strangely walking all the
Yeah.
time the same way.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.